So, hello students, hope you all are doing well. So, let's continue our Python series. And till now, we had discussed about these all the basic concept of your list. Okay, and in our today lecture, we will try to cover the some predefined methods and how you can simply traverse over your list. Okay, so let me share my desktop screen and then we will continue our today lecture. Okay. So our today topic is how you can simply traverse over your loop. Okay. Or you can say how you can simply iterate over your list. And there are some predefined methods. Uh, there are some predefined methods in your Python that will make the your work easier when you are moving for performing any kind of operation on your list. Okay, so by using your these methods, your operation or work is become simple as compared to your brute force approach. Okay, so let's discuss all these things one by one. So let's start from the traversing in your list. Okay. So as the name is suggesting means we just have to traverse means iterate over the loop means sorry loop I just try to say the list. Okay. That how you can iterate over your list. Okay. So first of all, let's create a list. Okay, and here I had simply created this list by the name of LST, and I will simply assign some values into my list. Okay, so let's keep some values here. I will take Python. You can take any kind of values, either it is float, character, integer type, boolean kind, anything else. Okay, so here I had simply taken these three values inside my list. Okay. Now I have to iterate over this particular list. Means I have to print these all the element of my list one by one. Okay. So the iteration can be performed by using the two way in your Python. One is from your for loop and another is from your while loop. Okay. So first of all, let's see that how we can perform the traversing from our for loop. Okay. So here I will simply create a for loop. Okay. And I will take a simple variable I. So for I in, I have to traverse over my list that is LST variable. Okay. So I will simply pass that for I in list and I will print the I here so that I can able to fetch the all the element of my list one by one. Okay. So the in our previous lecture we had already discussed that how your for loop will work. Okay. So if you guys facing any kind of trouble or any kind of the confusion in understanding the basic concept of the for loop, then I will give the link of my that particular videos as well in the description box. Okay, so from there first of all I will highly recommend you guys that go through that particular for loop videos and then come to the this part. Okay, this will bring you the lot of the guidance that or it will help to grab the concept from you the scratch. Okay, so here I had simply created a for loop. Okay, and inside this particular for loop I will print the all element of my list. Okay, and now if I run my code, then I can see I'm able to print the all the element. Okay, all the element of my list here one by one. So 12 Python and 2 is being printed here. Okay, so this is how we can simply traverse over our list in by using our for loop. Okay, and now let's see that how you can traverse in your list using your while loop as well. Okay, so if I'll make it comment out here, then let's create a while loop. Okay, here I will simply try to traverse through the while loop to my list. So while I in case of your while loop, we have to use the index position, and by using the index, we are able to traverse over our list. Okay, so here we'll provide simply the index position till the length of our list. Okay, so here I will take while I in range. Okay, in range, and I will give the range till the length of our list. Okay, so here I will take the length of my list by using length function. Okay, and inside my length function I will pass my list. And so by using this piece of code, we are able to take the length of our list, and now we will simply traverse till the length range. Means if the length of my list is 3, then we will traverse till the 3, and we will print the all the element of our list by using this particular I index position. Okay, so now here inside my while loop I will print the element of my list by using this index position I. Okay, and I will mm, increase the I by using 1, by using 1. And before I will simply initialize the I with 0. Okay, and now if I run the code, then I can see the same output, that is 12 Python and true is being printed. Means by using your while loop, or also by using a for loop, you can traverse over your list easily. Okay, so this is all about the traversing in your list. Now let's see these all the methods that are predefined in your Python libraries, and it will make your work or operation on list easier. Okay, you can perform the operation very faster as compared to your traditional way. Okay, so the first method, that is append. Okay, so in our previous lecture, we had already discussed about the append, that how by using the append method, you can add the element to your list. Okay, so basically your append is used to add the element into your list. Okay, here I will not discuss about those method that I had already discussed in my previous lectures. Okay, I will provide the link. Okay, and you just have to go through that link and just grab the concept from the scratch. Okay, it will help you a lot. Okay, so by using your append method, you can add the element to your list. Okay, and there is also a very beautiful property that your append is by default at the element at the end point of your list. Okay, okay, let's show you. Okay, here I will show you that how you can use the concept of your AND. Okay, see, this is my list. Okay, this is my list, and here I will simply by using the append. Okay, so I will use list dot append here, append, and I will add a element. Let's take Java here. Okay, I will add the Java into my list. Okay, and after that I will print my list. Then I can see the Java will be added at the last position of our list. See, the Java is being added at the last position of our list. Okay, so this is how by using your append, you can add the element to your list as well. By using the clear, you can simply clear your whole list data. Okay, now means what I'm trying to say here, here our list is containing these 3 items. Okay, and when I will use the clear method, then we will erase all the element inside my list, and our list has become empty. Okay, now let's see how it will be performed. Then I can see here I will simply use the clear. Okay, and now if I print my list, then we can see the list is become empty here. The output will be printed a empty list. Okay, so by using the clear, the we can remove all the element from the list as well. Okay, and by using the copy, we can simply return a copy of our list. Copy means this is our main primary list. Okay, and by using our copy, we can simply print the copy of our list, in which if we will perform any kind of changes, then it will not be reflected on our primary list. The changes will be only reflected to our copied list, okay, or a the not to the current list, okay. And by using your count, we can simply return the any element is present for the how many times in our list, okay. What I'm trying to say that if someone told that hey, you just have to find that how many times 12 is being presented in this particular list, okay, then by using the count, we can simply um, count the the existence or the occurrence of any element in the list, okay. So by using count, and inside this you just have to pass the value which you wants to fetch the frequency, okay. So basically your count will return the frequency of element, that is how many time present in the particular list, okay. Now if I will pass it in the print statement, here I will pass it inside the print statement, and if I'll run, then I can see the 12 is only present for the one time in this particular list. And if I will run, add the 12 one more time, then the 2 should be printed because our 12 is being present for the 2 times in our list. Okay, so this is how the count will be performed. The present that it will simply give the frequency of any element that are present in list. Okay, and extend, we had already seen that how by using the extend, you can simply add to list, okay. That means the extended list will be added at the end of the current list, okay. Also I will give the link of this particular video as well in my description box, from where you can access it, okay. And by using the index position, it will simply return the index of the first element with the specified values, okay. Means it will if you will use the index, then it will simply print your the first element, okay, first element that are presented at a first position in your list, okay. Here, so the index, okay, so it will simply give you the first element of our list, okay. Here make it comment out here, and if I'll pass here 0, then you can see. Okay, so value does not okay. So see that the 12 is being presented at a zeroth position. Okay, zeroth position. And now if here I will give the Python, then it should print that our Python is being presented at a second position. The two should be the printed. See, the two is being printed here, means or Python is present at the second index position. So it will simply give the index position of your element, okay. And by using insert, you can simply insert the element at a fixed particular index position, and by using the pop, okay. So let's see that how your pop method is will be worked. So here let's delete this all thing stuff from here, and now let's see that how your pop method is work, okay. So by using your pop, we can simply pick out or delete the element from the top of the list, okay, from the top of the list, okay. This is the by default properties of your pop, that it will simply pick out the element from top, okay, from the top, okay. And if I'll give it inside the print statement, then now we can see, or we can fetch the element as well, okay. So it should return a true value, because our true is currently at the top of the position. See, the true is being printed here. And now if I print my list here, then we can see the only these two element 12 and Python should be printed. Your true will not consider, because your true is being deleted by using this pop method, deleted or a pick out from the list, okay. Now at this particular time frame, your true is not being present inside the list. Only 12 and Python is present. Now if we run the code, then we can see only 12 and Python is present inside the list. Your true is being picked out, okay. And by using the same, by using the delete, you can delete the element as well. You can delete the element as well, okay. So this is the property of a pop or delete. And by using the remove, you can simply remove the element from any specified index position as well. Okay. Now let's see the sort method. So by using sort, you can simply sort the you can simply sort your list. Means let's make it your list something easier. Okay, I will add only the integer value. Okay, I will add only integer value here. Okay, so if somebody will told us that hey, you have to sort this list. Okay, we have to sort. Then what we'll simply do? We'll simply write a whole logic by using the for loop, and we will compare all the element one by one, and we will put them at their right position in a new list. Okay, but by using the sort method, we can directly apply the dot sort, and our whole list is become sorted out in a ascending order. Okay, let's see how. So inside my print statement, I will simply use dot sort method on my list. So list dot sort. Now if I run my code, then now we can see, okay, list dot sort. It is throwing something error. Okay, so list dot sort, and then if I will print my list, then now we can see our list is become sorted out. Okay, see, all the element has comes into the ascending order: 4, 12, 32, 56, and 78. Okay, so this is how our list is become sorted out. Okay, and by using the reverse, you can simply put the all the element into the descending order. Means all the larger element that come at the first position, and the smaller element will move to the last position in your sorted list. Okay, so this is all about the all predefined methods in your list. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so this is all about the list. We had completed the each and every concept of your list within this three part of our videos. Okay, and from our next lecture, we will start the concept of your tuples in Python. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.